a production of the New Jersey Courts.
My name is Susan Maven, and I am a judge in the family court. This year, we are going to be speaking on proper use of cell phones, social media, sexting, and cyberbullying. One Judge, One School is an initiative started by our assignment judge, Julio Mendez, many years ago as our way of connecting judges with our community. It's very important that judges and others in the judiciary make that community contact to help build confidence and understanding between citizens and the judiciary.
I think it's vital, especially in today's society. There seems to be a polarizing effect occurring with all forms of government, but especially with law enforcement. And I think it's really important for youth to get an opportunity to interact with a judge in a situation where a judge can be seen as a source of information. A judge can make themselves available as a mentor. A judge can provide information in terms of career advice or college advice. So I think to kind of get them out of the robe and out from behind the bar is a really positive step.
Judge Mendez appointed our Judge Mark Sanson to coordinate the program, and through that, each judge has selected a school in Cape May and Atlantic County to try to connect and bring that message back to the children in their particular school.
I think one of the things we've tried to do with education over the last, specifically a couple of decades, but really ramping up the last, I'll say 5 to 8 years, is trying to find ways to make everything within all curriculums across the board more relatable to kids, more real world applicable. So when you have somebody come in and they're able to speak firsthand about their career, they're able to share their experiences firsthand, I think it becomes much more real for the kids instead of sitting reading a textbook and trying to imagine what this situation would be. They now get to hear real world scenarios in a first person situation.
Well, we come first thing in the morning, and school opens at 7:20 or 7:30, so the first reaction is trying to wake them up. But once we've gotten their attention, the way I've always done it with my group, we do it fun, interactive, and many judges have developed a program that works best for them. And I believe that once we interact, I tell the students what I do and how I do it. I think they are excited about meeting a judge, a real live judge. They ask some questions, we talk about careers and opportunities, and then I get into the subject matter and make it fun by making it interactive.
This year it was separation of powers, and believe it or not, last year it was the Magna Carta, which is brutal. So I have to tell you, we really don't stick very much. I do maybe 2 minutes on the separation of powers, and everybody starts to glass over. So then I go right into what high school kids are interested in.
Well, realizing that kids today have a lot more on their plate than just coming to school and learning. And certainly I understand that. I'm a family court judge. I've been in family court for most of my 16 years on the bench. And we recognize that kids, they have to learn how to apply what they learn in school to their lives, and we have to make it meaningful. And so we have to always be very open to changing the way and the dynamics, the way we teach, so that it becomes relevant to them, so they actually apply it.
I get stopped all the time. I just saw a guy I just spoke in Oakcrest, and the guy says, hi, my name is whatever. And he says, I really want to thank you for coming to the schools. It's where it's at.
I think that the One Judge, One School program is an excellent way of us remaining in contact. We get excellent feedback from the various school districts that we work. Students seem to be engaged, and I think from every judge that's involved, we get personal gratification. And certainly for the community, I think it's a good thing for them to see judges outside of our courtrooms.